Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Children, today we'll be doing the sound of letter T. The sound of letter T is T. The letter is T and the sound is T. Let's go through some of the words that begin with the sound. T is for tiger, T, T, tiger. T is for telephone, T, T, telephone. T is for truck, T, T, truck. T is for toys, T, T, toys. T is for trampoline, T, T, trampoline. T is for tomato, T, T, tomato. T is for tree, T, T, tree. T is for teacher, T, T, teacher. T is for triangle, T, T, triangle. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound T and the letter is T. Let's go through them once again. T is for tiger, T, T, tiger, tiger. T is for telephone, T, T, telephone, telephone. T is for truck, T, T, truck, truck. T is for toys, T, T, toys, toys. T is for trampoline, T, T, trampoline, trampoline. T is for tomato, T, T, tomato, tomato. T is for tree, T, T, tree, tree. T is for teacher, T, T, teacher, teacher. T is for triangle, T, T, triangle, triangle. Please turn to page number 21 of your picture book. T is for tiger, T is for telephone, T is for tomato, T is for toy. Hope you all liked the video. Thank you.